By now, people are catching on that clean energy is really going to take off in 2021. Now, the problem is, it almost seems like everybody's willing to buy any sort of stock as long as it has clean energy in the description somewhere, or they're thinking about investing in clean energy, or the company, might be doing one thing, but say they're thinking about transitioning over to clean energy, right? It's almost like a buying frenzy is taking place, and it doesn't matter what the company does or how they're performing as long as they're in the clean energy space. Now, SunHydrogen has been one of my favorite penny stocks of 2021 so far. We've seen it go just in the last couple of months from around 2 cents per share all the way up to above 30 cents per share. And if we take it out to a 1-year graph, we've seen this stock go from like half a cent all the way up above 30 cents per share. Now, I'm getting really nervous about SunHydrogen because it's meeting some long-term levels of resistance. So if you're currently trading SunHydrogen, ticker symbol HYSR, or you're thinking about adding it to your portfolio, make sure to watch this video to kind of get a better understanding of where the resistance levels are and what might happen to this stock in the future. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you share the video on StockTwits, make sure to tag me there as well, at ClayBro, so I can follow you, and I can stay up to date on what everybody's interested in. Alright, so let's talk about SunHydrogen. I've really liked this stock over the course of the last couple months because we've seen it go from around 2 cents per share all the way up to above 30 cents per share without any major pullbacks. But recently, the stock price has gone all the way back down to 23 cents per share. Now, why is this level critical, and what does it mean for us as investors? Should we be invested in this stock right now, or is it time to book profits? And if you're not invested in it, is it time to kind of let it go and let it settle where it wants to settle? So let's talk about this. If we pull the stock chart back all the way to its maximum capacity, we can go back to around 2010, where we can see that the stock price maxed out around 31 cents per share. And then it fell and it went back up and tapped out around 23 cents per share before finally starting its descent into what became known as the penny stock, and you watch the graph go all the way down to a half a cent per share, where we were able to get in just a year ago. Now, why is this critical? We've done the exact same pattern, okay? We've topped up, we touched that 31 cent per share mark, and now we're back down to 23 cents per share. Now, this 23 cent level is going to be extremely critical because this is a huge level of support and or resistance. So right now it's a level of support because we've fallen and we're touching this level of 23 cents. If we break through to the downside, it's going to be very critical that you protect your profits that you do have. If you don't have a stop loss or anything like this on your position, make sure to protect the profits that you do have. The last thing, the absolute last thing we want to see is someone got into this stock around 2 cents per share. We rode it all the way up to 30 cents per share, and yet we have to give all of our gains back because we want to hold it long term, and we want to see this stock reach $1, $10 per share, when it just might not have what's in it. So let's think about this for a second. We need to see the stock open higher and follow through to the upside before we really consider leaving this position in our portfolios or adding it to our portfolios. Because what could happen? I know there's a lot of people out there that really believe in this technology and really believe in this company, but is it worth losing your profits over? So if we go through this scenario, guys, we can hold this stock to $1, to $10, to $100 per share if it'll go there. But there's nothing that's going to keep us from re-entering the position if we see a pullback and if we see it fall back down. Penny stocks are excellent for technical analysis and technical trades because a lot of times they don't have a lot of fundamental information and news releases really driving the move higher. It's a lot of technical trading, day trading, and there's a lot of investors out there that want to get in, get out, and make their profit. So what do? if we see this position start to pull back at tomorrow's open, if it opens lower than the 23 cents per share, you really need to consider protecting the profits that you do have. Is it a recommendation to outright sell? No, because I don't know where you got into the position, what kind of take profit you are going to be happy with, whether or not you want to double, triple, quadruple your investment, or if you're okay with just breaking even because you wanted to give it a chance to run. So that is going to be up to you. But, keep in mind this level of resistance and this level of support at 30 cents per share. That is the maximum share price this stock has ever seen. So one of two things could happen. We could see the exact same pattern happen that happened before, and we could see this stock fall, and we could see it fall hard now. Or if we break a new high, there's no level of resistance ahead of us, and we really could see SunHydrogen shoot to new heights, and maybe that dollar level or $10 level is finally attainable. But it's very important that we proceed with caution and we move forward knowing that, this could be a speculative play, and really this might be, look, I always hate to say that this company doesn't have it in it to go and to reach new heights, because every company does, okay? Every company has the potential to do extremely well, but there's always that chance that a stock could pull back, and we want to be able to protect our profits. So we want to invest, yes, but we want to make sure that we're investing smart. So if we see the stock pull back, please be careful moving forward. Know that this level of 23 cents is an extremely crucial level, and this is from this level here is where we saw it fall 10 years ago. Now, if we do break forward and we see new heights above the 30 cent per share mark, is this an opportunity to get in? Now, we want to proceed with caution, yes, but we also want to buy rising shares. So if we see the share price rising, what's it likely to continue doing? It's likely to continue rising. And if we see the share price falling, what's it likely to do? It's likely to continue falling, okay? So if we're ready to enter the position, if you don't have it in your portfolios yet, please make sure that you enter as the stock price is rising, and just know that we are at that crucial level right now, and we could be seeing a lot of pullback and a lot of profit taking, and I want everybody to be cautious, and I know a lot of people have made a lot of money on SunHydrogen, so I really want to make sure that we protect the profits that we do have. Now guys, if you have SunHydrogen, ticker symbol HYSR, in your portfolios, let us know down in the comments below, all right? We want to know kind of what position, what price you got in at, where you think it can go, and whether or not this level of 30 cents and 23 cents is kind of, crucial to you, or you think it's just a little tiny pullback and we're going to see this stock rocket higher, or what your thoughts are. So let us know down in the comments below kind of what you think, where we're going to go, whether we should be taking our profits, or whether this stock has room to move and we're going to see unlimited upside potential. Now guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, you got one more shot. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you like the video, make sure to share it on StockTwits as well and tag me there at ClayBro. And until the next time, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.